an absolute gem in Brant County. A celebration of history and architectural mastery, this is 448 McPherson School Road in Glen Morris. Built in 1862 and sitting on nearly 1 acre, this gorgeous home is one of a kind. You're immediately wowed by the classic Georgian symmetry and sun shimmering from the fieldstone exterior. The inside is reminiscent of high society mansions from the same era, with high baseboards, massive windows, one-of-a-kind architectural designs, and your own private ballroom. This room, with carefully crafted cornices, newly renovated pine floors, and nearly 12-foot-high ceilings, was once the scene of government gatherings. A venue-style property, the large dining room is perfect for family get-togethers and entertaining guests. The center hall staircase is a step back in time and leads to this massive primary suite on its own level with views of the foyer, upper sitting area, and gorgeous stained glass windows. The rear of the home is an updated addition with high ceilings and garden doors to a glass panel deck overlooking the property with an in-ground pool. This area also includes a walkout lower level. History meets modern amenities with this heated 3.5-car garage. A rare find, a mix of quality and detail from the 1800s with the modern upgrades and conveniences from today. To tour this historic home in person, contact Kathy Long or Luann Hansey to book your private showing.